Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I'll like to show you the way how to edit a photo with Capcut. Yes, editing a photo. Most of you probably like wondering why do I edit a picture with a Capcut, because Capcut sometimes is used for editing the video, right? But here you must know this. Capcut application also provide you to edit the photo by using this feature, which is the photo editor. So if you want to edit the picture, you will absolutely capable doing that by Capcut. So the way to edit the photo, you just need to go click the photo editor and choose or pick the picture that you want to edit, and after that go click edit. And there will be like a lot of features that you can use here. You can adjusting the color grade by go click adjust here and start doing the color grading. You can adjusting the brightness, exposure, contrast, saturation, vibrance of the picture. And after you're done doing everything, just go click this checklist button. I can also get the stickers. So the stickers will be provided by the Capcut itself, guys, so you don't need to worry about how the way you're finding a good stickers for your picture. You can also do a fastest way by adding the filters, because the Capcut also provide you a filters, so you will be get automatic a color grade for your picture. You can even choose either you want to have a quality, delicacy, or retro film, and many more for your picture. It's really interesting, right? So let's try one of filters that they have, which is the Sakura 2, since they have like the same symbols and so cute. Wait until this filters is downloaded, and here is the result. You can also adjust in the intensity of this filters by dragging this point if you want to make it last, and into the right part if you want to make it more intense. And you can also find the difference between before and after by go click this part. This is this one. I'll click and hold. This one is before editing and this one is after editing. And after you're satisfied, just need to go click checklist button and export, so that this photo will be automatically saved into your device. So that's the way how to edit a picture with a Capcut. Don't get surprised, you can do it everything with a Capcut, guys. So thank you for watching, and I will see you for the next video.